Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SoFi Invest for passive income, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the SoFi Invest app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Next, complete the required identity verification process by providing your personal info. Link your bank account to facilitate easy transfers of funds into your SoFi Invest account. Now, navigate to the investment options available within the app. Choose between traditional investing, automatic rebalancing, or automated investing to match your financial goals. To invest passively, consider selecting the automated investing option, which uses algorithms to manage your portfolio. Review the risk levels provided by SoFi and choose the option that aligns with your comfort level and financial objectives. Once you've selected your preferred investment strategy, determine how much money you want to invest initially. Transfer the desired funds from your linked bank account into your SoFi Invest account. Monitor the performance of your investments through the app's dashboard, which provides real-time analytics. Set up automatic contributions to continue investing passively over time. Explore the educational resources SoFi offers to learn more about investing and maximizing your passive income. Remain consistent with your investments, and consider re-evaluating your strategy as your financial situation changes. Utilize SoFi's financial tools to assess your overall investment performance regularly. Engage with the community features within SoFi to gain insights from other investors. Stay informed about market trends that may impact your investments. And finally, be patient, as passive income typically builds gradually over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.